headed down to Ponto State Beach today to see if there's any surf and get out in the water. The wheel loaders have taken over this spot, so I'll have to move on and find another. Well, the waves are pretty small today, 1 to 2 foot, but getting in the water is always better than not getting in. So I'm going to give it a go. It was great to get out in the water today. Waves weren't anything to write home about. North of the Ponto jetties is a great place to hang out and enjoy the day at the beach. So if you're ever in Carlsbad, come check it out. Thanks for watching.